2023 Ford Mustang. With less than 41,000 miles on the odometer, this coupe is sleek and stylish with added comforts. It delivers power and performance, along with tons of features such as lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, turbocharged engine, blind spot monitor, backup camera, convertible soft top, rain sensing wipers, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights. Ready to take home the car of your dreams?